Welcome to your country getaway here in Lascassas, Tennessee. Some may say it's a farmette, others might label it a mini farm. We just call it awesome. Located just a few minutes from Murfreesboro, this fabulous chunk of paradise has more features than you can imagine. More than 3 acres, this property includes an electric sliding gate, a concrete driveway, 2-car carport, a beautiful wood barn, fruit trees, and both well and city water. The house itself is an eclectic mashup of charm and personality with 3 bedrooms, two full baths, and more than 1,600 square feet of space. Whether you want to fully immerse yourself in the rural lifestyle or simply have a quiet retreat to enjoy at the end of each day in civilization, this unique homestead more than fits the bill. For more info on this great home in Lascassas, click the link in the description, or you can always call or text us. Follow us on social media for more awesome real estate content. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe now and ring the notification bell to make sure you never miss any of our videos. Finally, if you're thinking of making a move to, from, or within Murfreesboro or Middle Tennessee, or just have questions about the market or real estate in general, please call our real estate hotline, send us a text or email, or schedule your free buyer or seller strategy session. Our company mission is to help people just like you achieve their real estate goals. And I promise we'll make your journey as fun and stress-free as possible.